Hello guys, welcome to Officers Marathon. We are starting the revision series of UPSC current affairs. In this lecture, we will look into agriculture topic. Go through the previous year questions. Here I am providing past 3 year questions. In 2020, around 8 questions were asked. Just have a glance. Anyhow, I will be providing the PDF of this. In 2020, there are many questions as compared to the previous years. And in 2019, only 2 questions were asked. And in 2018, around 6 questions were asked. Okay, after going through the previous year questions, one can observe these things. The questions that are asked like the crops that are larger in production and exports, and the crops covered under MSP, like if there are any new crops that are added to this list, and if there is any new plant species in use. And these things you have to, it is static, you have to know the climatic conditions. Last time it was asked. We will go through the important current affairs. Firstly, we will look into jade crops. These are in news because the government is pushing for jade crops. These are actually sown between Rabi harvesting and Kharif sowing. These are also called summer crops. Just remember this. What are the crops that are grown in this type of season? Cucumber, watermelon, and muskmelon. Okay. Joram Mega Food Park. It was inaugurated in Mizoram, and it also provides employment opportunities and also benefit farmers in like food processing and primary processing centers. Okay, and XU infection that is in news, that happens in rice XU infection. Biofortified carrot was grown. It was named Madhuban Gazar. It is having high beta carotene. Human body actually converts beta carotene into vitamin A. One other example, like this biofortified food, is golden rice. It is a kind of GM crop. And one other mobile app is in news is Kisan Rath mobile app. It was launched by Union Agriculture Ministry. It was launched because during the COVID times, during the lockdown, there was difficulty in the transportation. So for transportation of food grains, it was launched. Next, globally important agricultural heritage systems. This is a program of UN Food and Agricultural Organization. This was founded as a UN Partnership Initiative for Sustainable Development 2022. Okay, FAO has designated 4 tea cultivation sites across the world. Okay, out of them 2 sites are there in China, and the rest each present in Korea and Japan. And this GIAHS site recognized 3 regions in India. Just remember this, can be asked in matching. Kottanad sea level farming in Kerala, Koradpur traditional agriculture in Odisha, and saffron heritage of Kashmir. Okay, this is in GI tag MSP, minimum support price. This is announced before the start of sowing season. This is fixed by central government on the recommendations of Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. Presently there are 23 crops under this. You need to remember just have a glance, need not by heart, you just have an idea to eliminate the options. This type of questions was asked last time. See, in cereals you have paddy, wheat, jowar, barley, bajra, ragi, maize, and in pulses arhar, gram, moong, lentil, urad. Yeah, just go through this also. Groundnut, rapeseed, soya bean, thoria, sesame. Okay. Apart from these, sugarcane is fixed under fair and remunerative price. Okay. And next, bamboo. Bamboo is not a tree anymore. Now it comes under grass. You need to remember the Indian Forest Act 1927, this one, in which bamboo is mentioned as a tree. Okay, next. Pima bamboo. Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. that is making oxygen park in Coimbatore by utilizing this. See, see the difference between a native like traditional and the beam of bamboo. The difference you can identify. It's not a genetically modified sub-IAP. It was brought to us by CSIR. It is actually for connecting farmers to the supply chain. Okay. Next, yellow rust. It is it occurs in wheat crop. Okay. It is caused by fungi. Fine. Next, Farm Bills 2020. You need to remember you. It's not actually detailed. I just have given here. You need to go through these ones. These three farm bills because some big issues happened. Of course, it is in news during the previous prelims also, but just go through them. Agriculture. This comes under state list, and the essential commodities act. See the products that are mentioned here. These are very important for the they may ask which is not in the essential commodities act list. Yeah, you just need to just have a glance over all these uh, things mentioned in these 7 points. Okay, drugs, fertilizers, and all. Okay, just go through them. APEDA, Agricultural and Processed Fruit Products Export Development Authority, and SFAC. These are two important organizations related to agriculture, and you need to identify here the ministry. Just focus on this. This comes under Ministry of Commerce. Okay, and you can identify the responsibility of APEDA, and here this SFAC, Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium. It gives a bargaining power for the small and marginal farmers. Okay, this is important. The implementation of ENAM. This deals by this forest produce. The nodal ministry of this is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The price of this is actually determined by ministry with the help of TriFed. Okay, here I have given some of the minor forest produce. These are actually important. They may be asked they may ask some options may be provided and may ask us to eliminate the one which is not minor forest produce. Okay, just go through this. Remember this: wild honey, seeded tamarind, dry shikai, myrobalan, chiranji pods with seeds, sal leaves, mahua flower, mahua seeds, kalmeg. Actually, we may often confuse with this mahua flower. Mahua flower, we may not feel it like as a minor forest produce. Okay, but it is minor forest produce. Remember it, important. Next, macronutrients and micronutrients. Just go through them: NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and sulfur, calcium, magnesium are also the macronutrients. Okay, next, micronutrients: iron, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, chloride, and molybdenum. Next, I guess in 2018 economic survey or 2019, this Operation Green Scheme was in news. That time with this uh, abbreviation like top, tomato, onion, and potato. Okay, was there in news, but in recent times it was extended to two other items: perishable fruits and vegetables. It was extended perishable fruits and vegetables. Okay, next, Javik Bharat. See, you can identify, you can read Javik Bharat, what it is. The FSSI, this Food Safety Authority. Yeah, this is promoting organic food by with this Javik Bharat. Okay, next, Try Food. Try Food is being uh, organized by this Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation to enhance income of tribals through better utilization and value addition for the minor forest produce collected by them. Okay, Sutra PSC. Its full form is Scientific Utilization through Research Augmentation Prime Products from Indigenous Cows. It's actually a research on Indian cows. Okay, this is being led by Department of Science and Technology. Fine. Karan 4 It's a high yielding variety of sugarcane being developed by ICAR. And next, Ranjit Sub 1. It's something, it's like flood resistant paddy. And something similar to this, there are tolerant varieties like Swarna Sub 1 and Bahadur Sub 1. Okay, yeah, those are also similar to this. These are grown in Assam region where usually they were inundated with flood because of Brahmaputra. Okay, Ranjit Sub 1, flood resistant paddy. Okay, next, Hing Asafoetida. This is a kind of this kind of plant. The CSIR scientists are trying to grow in Indian Himalayas. These are endemic to Iran and Afghanistan. These plants, these things are actually grows in dry and cold desert conditions. Okay, see, this is important Asafoetida. This may be asked because the species that are in news that are usually being asked. Okay, next, the jute bags. It was mandatory condition that was given for packing food grains. 100% jute bags has to be used. Okay, and 20% of the sugar to be packed by these jute bags. And next, SRT, a zero till conservation agriculture technique. SRT, Saguna rice technique. Yeah, just remember it. Here, cultivation of rice is done on permanent raised beds without ploughing, puddling. Okay. Next, it is here MACS 6478. It is high yielding wheat variety developed by Agarkar Research Institutes. It is also called high yielding estivum. Okay, it matures in 100 days. It resistant to leaf and stem rust. Okay, next, BT cotton seed. It is a patent of Monsanto. This BT cotton is insect resistant cotton variety. This actually a modified form by insertion of one or more genes. Yeah, this is important. This bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, we can say cloning of genes has happened in generation of this BT cotton seed. Okay, next, fisheries sector in India. India is now second largest fisher producer, and in terms of agricultural exports, this has the largest value. It became. Next, jasmonate. Jasmonate, it is in use. It's a plant hormone. It's actually associated with this plant defense against biotic factors like insects, pests, and other pathogens. Okay. Next, FSSA, yeah, this Food Safety Standards Authority. I just remember sometimes they may ask this ministry. It comes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, yeah, it was established through this Food and Safety, this Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. Okay, next, National Food Security 2013. This type of question was asked earlier. Yeah, the coverage of this act is 75%. It mostly covers rural areas, 75%, and 50% of urban. Okay, and the eligible people will get 5 kg per month and per person. Okay, and the maternity benefit have to be provided, which is not less than 6,000. These are actually legal recognition that are provided to products that are of agricultural, natural, manufactured products of handicraft and industrial goods. Yeah, that products are from a particular region. Yeah, something based on that it is provided. In recent times, 3 GI tags were given. That is Kovilapatti Kadalai Mithai. You may have come across this. May have. Yeah, this is from Thuthukudi district, Tamil Nadu. Kovilapatti Kadalai Mithai. Okay. Next, Kashmiri saffron. That also got GI tag. And black rice chakhau. It's from Manipur. This also used for medicinal purposes. Okay, chakhau from Manipur. Okay, fine. We will wind up here. Okay, thank you. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.